Unlock the cinematic potential of your Sony A7sIII or A1 log footage by mastering LUTs in Final Cut Pro for stunning, professional color grades in minutes. First, let's get your log footage onto the Final Cut Pro timeline. Ensure your footage is imported and ready to go. Now, we'll navigate to the color inspector. This is where all the magic happens. Click on the color inspector icon, which looks like a color wheel. Within the color inspector, you'll find the LUT section. This is our gateway to applying pre-made color looks. To start, you can explore the built-in LUTs, or, for true professional results, you'll want to load your own custom LUTs that are designed for Sony LUT profiles. Click Choose LUT to browse your computer. Locate the LUT file you've downloaded or created specifically for your Sony A7s3 or A1 log footage. These LUTs are designed to convert the flat, low-contrast log image into a more pleasing, filmic look. Once you select and apply the LUT, you'll instantly see the transformation. It's a powerful way to quickly establish a starting point for your color grade. Don't be afraid to adjust the opacity of your LUT. Sometimes a full application isn't necessary. Dialing it back can create a more subtle and natural look, or you can use it as a base to build upon. Remember, a LUT is often just the first step. You can then refine the look using Final Cut Pro's other powerful color correction tools, fine-tuning exposure, saturation, and specific color tones to perfectly match your vision. By following these steps, you can efficiently and effectively color grade your Sony A7s3 and A1 log footage, achieving professional results with a streamlined workflow. Start grading like a pro today.